Hi, I'm Joey with Easy Fix Electrical Services in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and I'm here to talk to you about flickering or dimming lights and why this happens. The two most common causes for this are under or over voltage and a poor neutral connection somewhere on the circuit. Electronic devices utilize voltage and amperage, which in combination create the watts or power consumed by the device. Amperage and voltage work in an inverse relationship, so the higher the voltage, the lower the amperage, and vice versa. Fluctuating either of these factors can cause problems or visual effects on the electrical system, specifically on resistive loads like older style incandescent light bulbs. If the dimming or brightening of your lights is not connected to any other device in the house, like air conditioners turning on or off, you might want to have a qualified electrician put a monitor on your electrical services to see if the utility power is spiking periodically. You may have noticed that turning on a high-powered device like a motor or a microwave on an overloaded circuit might cause the lights in the house to dim. This is due to a limited amount of power being provided to the house. Larger loads, specifically motors and capacitors, have a very high power draw for a brief time on startup. Depending on the wiring of the house, this can cause decreased power available to the lights and other devices, which in turn can cause dimming. The common fix for this is to add a hard start kit to the AC units or replace an older capacitor in the units. Flickering lights are typically caused by a poor wiring connection on the neutral. The wires may be just barely touching, causing an unsteady flow of electrons. This can be a fire danger if the poor connection is building up the heat from electrons trying to jump the gap between the two wires. AFCI breakers should identify the square sine wave and shut off the circuit if this is happening. The only way to find these poor connections is to search through each of the devices on the circuit. It is best to call a qualified electrician to help with these, as experience will decrease the time it takes to find the problem. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to like or share this video and give us a call in the Albuquerque Santa Fe area. Together, we can make this an easy fix.